Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Roblox username for free. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you're annoyed that you can't change your Roblox name for free, I'm gonna show you exactly how. So if you go to your settings and you can see account info and usernames, when it loads you can change your username, but you have to pay 1,000 of Roblox. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that for free. So you don't need to pay any Robux, and I am perfect example as I changed my name for free without having to spend any Robux. So search .roblox.com support and then just press enter. When you are here, just type up your first name, your email address, confirm email address, so just type it up twice, and then do the device that you're on. I'm on Chromebook, and then the type of help category. You're going to want to try and find user safety concern, and do the only one that's there. And then you're going to want to type out a quick little message, which you can copy the exact one on the screen right now, or you can just change it, but it's up to you. You can do like something like this. You don't have to do the exact same thing that I'm doing on the screen right now, but whatever you want really. And so just trying to be as formal as possible. Try not to use any slime and just try and like so that it's the safety is a concern. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.